Quixel Bridge is largest photogrammetry asset library. We have two ways how you can run Quixel Bridge. Standalone application, and if you run standalone application first time, I recommend change library path from Drive 3 because these 3D models, surfaces, and all stuff very heavy. I use, for example, the G drive, this is my project drive. And also we have Quixel Bridge inside Unreal Engine 5. If you want to run Quixel Bridge, we can press on this small green plus button and choose Quixel Bridge, or you can press on this green small plus button and choose Add Quixel Content. And you run Quixel Bridge. We have 5 different folders. Main of them is Home. Inside Home folder, we have all stuff, 3D assets, plans, surfaces, decal, and imperfections. Also we have collections. All the stuff is inside different collections. For example, this one. In this collection we have only surfaces, only materials. And if you run another collection, for example this one, we have 3D models, maybe materials, maybe decals, and other stuff. Also we have MetaHuman tab. You can create your own MetaHuman. You can choose template and press start MHC. Also we have favorite tab, and also we have local tab. Local tab, this all my downloaded assets. All these assets, materials, and stuff in my PC. And if you want to open and find folder when Quixel Bridge hold your materials, you can press right mouse button and choose go to files. And in this folder we have UA assets, and this assets, for example, in this folder, and all my stuff is on this path. And when you add this assets in your project, Quixel Bridge duplicate all this stuff from this folder to the project folder. And you can use all these models, materials, decals in different projects. Quixel duplicate from main folder on Drive 3 to different projects. Okay, let's talking about this different stuff. Let's start from 3D assets. We have different folders, and you can choose, for example, food, search something like this, and also you can choose nature, use all the stuff. And one interesting moment I'm going to show you, we have this small sign. First of them is size. Unreal shows you a size of this asset. So this is big stone, big rock, and this, for example, small, this small and closed, and this one, for example, very large. You can find this scale. This is open asset, and this is assembly asset. How you can add this asset into your project? First, very simple method is drag and drop. You need to just select this project and move it in your project, and you can find preview mesh, and you can find downloading process. So this is not final version, this is preview mesh. You can work with this mesh. You can rotate, change size, and move in correct place. And when your project will be downloaded, Unreal Engine automatically change this preview mesh to the real asset. So you can find this asset, this hole in the back side. So this is open asset. Next step I'm going to show you, this is a location of this asset. When you add your first Megascan asset from Bridge, Unreal creates a folder for this stuff. This is Megascans folder, and inside Megascans folder we have 3D assets folder. And inside this 3D assets folder we have folder of this asset. So we have preview folder, we use this preview mesh when your asset downloaded, and also we have main folder of this stuff. So we have static mesh, this one. We have material instance with a bunch of different properties. We can change, for example, albedo of this asset. And also we have textures. This is 4K textures, diffuse, normals. And also we have this one. In different channels we have different stuff. You can duplicate your material instance using Ctrl D and change parameters and use different materials for different assets. Very important moment I'm going to show you. This is quality type. For this assets I used high quality asset. We have low quality. Low quality, this is 1K textures. Medium quality, this is 2K textures. High quality, 4K textures. And nanite, this is 8K textures. Very important moment. I recommend you don't use high quality and nanite assets when you don't have enough VRAM. For example, if you have 12 gigs of VRAM, maybe 8 gigs, maybe 11 gigs of VRAM, I recommend use medium quality assets and low quality. And if you want to enable nanite for your mesh, you can use this in Unreal Engine. Just press right mouse button, go to nanite and activate nanite checkbox. Because 8K textures very heavy, if you select this textures, this is 67 megabytes of memory in disk size. This is not very big disk size, but if you use 8K textures, this is more than 100 megabytes on the disk. Another method how you can add your asset, you can choose, for example, your asset and choose quality and press download. Unreal download this asset into the project. Let's wait in a few seconds. Then you can press on this small plus button and you can add this asset into your project. You can find new folder for this guy. We don't have any preview folder because I don't use drag and drop method. We have only folder for this asset. Also we have material instance, we have mesh, we have 3 textures, and you can use this stuff in your project. For example, using this method. Another type of stuff, this is 3D plants. We have a lot of beautiful plants, grass, trees, and other stuff. Next important folder is surfaces. We have a lot of beautiful surfaces, brick, water, metals, ground and other stuff, and also you can find your surfaces in this place. For example, let's type water and you can find all stuff with water. For example, 3D assets, materials, and I very often use these 2 beautiful shaders in my projects. This one and this one, it's very nice stuff. You can use search bar, or you can find your stuff in these folders. Also we have different quality. This is 1K textures, 2K, 4K and 8K textures. Let me choose medium quality, press download, and inside my Megascans folder, if you press add, you can find surface folder, and inside the surface folder we have this material instance. You can use this material in your project. Let me show you. Nice snow material. Another type of stuff, this is decals. We have a bunch of different decals. Let me show you, for example, this one. You can also choose different quality. Let's select high quality, 4K textures, press download and press add. And I got my decal folders. Also, you can find these different renders in this small window. Like this, you can preview your stuff in this window. We have dimensions 2 meters by 2 meters, so different decals have different dimensions. For example, this one 1 meter by 1 meter, this one 2 meter by 2 meters. And same with surfaces, with materials. If you choose, for example, concrete, you can find dimensions 2 meters by 2 meters, and this textures is with tiling. This is good for me. Tiling is very nice property, but some stuff without tiling, and you can check this in this place. Okay, all my stuff with tiling, this is nice, but in some cases we have materials without tiling. So let me show you how you can work with decals. Let's go to my downloaded decal. This is material instance, and how you can use it, just drag and drop into the folder. When you restart your project, you can find this checkerbox preview. Don't worry, wait in a few seconds and you will get a nice preview. So let's move this decal in my project, and you can find this green box. Very interesting moment I'm going to show you. If you paste your decal in the thing, you can find intersection with all objects. For example, let's create, for example, cube. You can find this ugly stuff. So we have this green boundary zone, and you can move your green zone like this. Also, we have in all assets receive decals checkbox. Let me find receive decals, and you can disable this checkbox, and your object don't receive any decals. So if you move your green bounding box down, you can't select your decal because we have this decal under the ground. Let me show you. So we have this decal, but I can't select it. You need to go down, choose this decal, and you can find this preview object, and you can use it in your stuff. Also, very interesting moment, if you want to scale your decal, you can find this disappearing like this. So I recommend, I don't recommend use scaling method like this. I recommend find decal size parameter and change decal size using this method. Another big folder is imperfections. Imperfections, this is simple masks. You can use these textures in your materials. Let me show you, for example, this one. Let's choose medium quality, download, and add to the project. Inside surface folders, we don't have imperfection folder in the Megascans. We have only surface folder. You can find material instance, this one, and you can find these textures with different channels. We have only green and red channels. All your downloaded stuff you can find in local folder and use in different projects. Another very important stuff I'm going to show you, Megascans Trees. Let's go to the Quixel launcher, Epic launcher, sorry, and let's go to marketplace. Inside marketplace, let's go to the free stuff and choose Megascans. Inside Megascans folder we have amazing trees collections. We have different types, this one, and you can also use all the stuff in your own project. So this one is new and very beautiful trees, photorealistic trees with a bunch of parameters, wind, different shaders, and I recommend use it in your cinematics environments. Thanks for watching.